This piece is called Golden Touch. I did it a while ago, and even though it may look like it's finished, but I'm still not satisfied. I'll show you why. It still has some imperfections. You can see here at the corner. When I go down, see that? This is something I don't like to leave on my pieces, so it will need another coat of resin. And there are also some small bumps through the right corner, to the right edge, and I don't like that. Other than that, it's pretty much almost perfect. That's another one here, another bump. So these imperfections have to go away. Now let's sand this piece with sandpaper. You will ruin it! You ruin it! Ah! It doesn't need much, just a little, so that new layer will have something to grab on. And that's pretty much it. Done! So now to the next stage. Have to swipe all the dust. Done! I just make this piece a little bit higher. Now I take a bucket of warm water and I clean it up. I take some paper towel and I dry it clean. I try to do it not so hard but gently. I don't want any paper particles to end up in these tiny little holes. This baby is ready to be resined. Well, almost, because I still have to put some support down and I have to seal the edges. Next stage, seal the edges. Now we are ready to resin. Always wear a mask when using resin. Even though it's odorless, even though it's votes free, you only have one pair of lungs and have to treat them like a baby. Okay, so resin is mixed. I will pour the final layer on this 36 by 51 inches piece. I will also use this tool to spread it. It's totally clear, not tinted resin. Now put the mask back on. Okay, let's go. Okay, so this piece is finished. Now I just wait and hope that it cures fine. So it's been roughly 24 hours and now we are able to check this big piece, how it cured. So let's check it. Just about right. Okay, let's take a closer look. Very nice. I'm so glad that, if you remember that corner, it was really bumpy. Now it's perfect. And also here we had quite a lot of bumps. Now they seem to be gone. And that, my friend, satisfies me. Okay. So now I have to let it cure for about another 2-3 days so that resin gets really hard. I'm happy. Now I have to put on the hardware, hanging hardware, and nice gold frame, and this piece will be available. What I like about this piece is when you look at it from here, it's just like space, and then you go, see the sparkles. This side, see the stars. Whoa! See the stars? That's what I call space. Woohoo! This one was actually made on canvas, of course with a lot of support, because resin is really thick and it's heavy, so it can sag the canvas, so I have to have sturdy. I use very heavy cardboard below so that it supports the resin when poured. But in any way, this one has a lot of layers, I think about 5. So the piece is also really heavy. Oh, I love it. It's really